क्या लगता है निमी कि हमारा जो फ्यूचर है वो क्या है? हमने पूरे ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 1.5 इयर्स घर पे काम करके देख लिया है, काफी चीजें हमने सीखी है, महत्व ऑफ society plus family and lot of many compassion and lot of things, right? But what is the main challenge when we talk about post pandemic? Pandemic I'm sure खत्म होगा, पूरा खत्म नहीं होगा, but धीरे धीरे स्टेजेस में खत्म होगा और हम लोग फुल ऑक्यूपेंसी पे कब तक जाएंगे? पहला क्वेश्चन ये कि हम फुल ऑक्यूपेंसी पे कब तक जा सकते हैं। दूसरा क्वेश्चन आपसे निमी कि आपको क्या लगता है कि रिटर्न बैक टू ऑफिस कितना सेफ होगा? ओवर टू यू।
ओके, सो दीक्षा, वेरी गुड पॉइंट जो आपने बताया कि पैंडेमिक खत्म तो होगा, बट कब होगा, कैसे होगा, दैट इज वन थिंग अगेन। क्योंकि हमेशा हर, जैसे कि फर्स्ट वेव की बात, अगेन वी हैड ए होप, majority of us had a hope, and we were all gearing up, whether it was schools or whether it was organizations keep coming back to the office. ठीक है, by then unpredictable, unavoidable situation came, the second wave, and then we are forced to work from home. So probably second wave ke baad third wave, that's what now we are hearing. And so whenever a situation there is a hope to go back to the office, unavoidable situations come, and then that's why probably we are forced to work from home. But there are certain industries who are working, I think, probably like if you say hospitality or for healthcare for that matter, or for manufacturing, so for them it is not work from home. So either they are going to the office because obviously they are at the workplace, if not nothing. Probably there are very few privileged industries who can work from home and things are going up. So when we say again, for specifically for those industries where work is not getting impacted, they can work from home. So for them, returning to the workplace is probably not going to be 100%. That's my point of view, at least for the scenario. But yes, we can definitely look for the hybrid model. I think that is going to be the next workplace. That's what if you remember, I started my conversation that office is not going to be the place. The physical office is not equivalent or will not be a synonym to the workplace, but your work is office, or which we call it is just a state of place, state of work. So it could be, when we say hybrid, so it could be, online and virtual remote work, or when you're going to the office. So important is whenever we return to the office, the important factor is how best can we make the best use of the place. That is, as you said, the social connectedness. We are missing that collaboration. We are missing those lunches, the coffee breaks, when many of the informal things comes up, where informal, because if things are not going good between a manager or the employer, as an HR, it is very difficult for me to understand, call up an employee and talk over the phone. Rather, I can just go up to his desk and then have a face-to-face meeting and resolve the issue. So those kind of things can be effectively utilized, when we are meeting at in person for the office. So that's what I said about the hybrid workplace, and the best things can be how effective we can make use of it. I hope that answers.
Yeah, of course, it does. I think Nimi आपने fourth question का भी answer साथ में दे दिया, hybrid in all models. Perfect. All right निमी, तो आपने दो चीजें बताई थी अपनी conversation में बहुत सटीक से। पहला आपने बताया था कि कॉन्टैक्टलेस हम लोग जा रहे हैं, हम लोग मास्क हमेशा लगाएंगे और प्रोटोकॉल का पालन हमेशा करेंगे, इवन आफ्टर पोस्ट पैंडेमिक और इवन आफ्टर हम लोग ऑफिस में विद 30% ऑफ ऑक्यूपेंसी के साथ जाते हैं। बट यहाँ पे मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये होगा कि उस दौरान एक एम्प्लॉय क्या बोलते हैं, गाड़ी से उतरता है या बस या किसी भी पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट से उतरता है और ऑफिस में जाता है, इसके दौरान हम अपने कॉर्पोरेट्स को क्या सजेशन दे कि कॉर्पोरेट्स अपने एम्प्लॉय को वो सजेस्ट करे कि आपको इस पर्टिकुलर जो फेज है आपका, यहाँ पे तो आपका टेस्टिंग हो रही है, बट हमें दूसरों को भी नहीं फैलाना। मतलब हम अगर ऑफिस आ रहे हैं तो हो सकता है आफ्टर वैक्सीनेशन भी हमें कैरियर हो कि वो उसे कैरी करके आगे दे पाए, राइट? तो निमी आपका इसमें क्या टेक होगा, वेयर वी हैव टू अवॉइड, even if you're going in public transport, we should avoid the contacts. So इस पे थोड़ा बताइए जब तक बंदा आपके ऑफिस में एंटर ना कर ले। Over to you.
Okay. So again, as I said, the norms to have the safety norms. So that is where the communication channels are very important. So आपकी जो communications है, that is from the organization to the team, that will not stop. The way it is being going on timely effectiveness, because we trust you, we want you and your family members safe, right? So it is a responsibility as an organization, as an employee also, on how we follow the norms. That is again the safety. So wearing a mask, maintaining the social distancing, and of course, from the organization point of view, also we would be thinking on what are the common points. For example, as you said about the transport, whether they are coming in the public transport or whether it is the office transport, on how well that can be managed. If the organizer, if the employee, as you said, if it is coming into the office, but before that, if they have to meet any vendors or the suppliers, in the contact of it. So how, so those kind of communication to be kept in place, that is no regret, where okay, we will not be meeting. So no regret policy kind of a thing can be designed, wherein okay, if it is not that you have to meet at this particular time or at distance. So things have to be more of adaptive and flexible approach, wherein and with the safety norms, because safety of course cannot be compromised, and trust is a factor which is being there mutual between the organization and the employee. So these two things is what matters important, matters most for the employee as well as for the organization, because every day we all are evolving. So when we see every organization is different, you will see different organization adopting a different model. Some of them are fully remote, some of them we want them to work in place, and some of them are adoptive hybrid. And same is the situation with the employees as well. Some of them might want to come to the workplace, some of them might not be. So how best we can avoid that contact coming to this, and also mentally and emotionally making sure the employee that these are the contactless, coming forward daily, as I said, temperature check. So probably you would be tracking, on which place you've been to, because these might be little important at initial days, though it might feel that it is a privacy matter because I have been checked, I have not been able to cross this road, or you have to enter, you went to this place. But then that is the new norm probably for the initial days till pandemic gets over.
Wonderful, Nimi. You answered everything so beautifully, so nicely. Great. Coming back to the next question, आपने अभी इस discussion में बताया कि contactless devices या कुछ ऐसे हम लोग utilize कर सकते हैं. तो आप मुझे ये बताइए, निमी, कि being a company or being an HR or being anybody in the organization, उनका जो लोग उस top पे होते हैं, you are being a leader, right? उनका कर्तव्य होता है सभी को social distancing maintain करना. ठीक है, एक होता है protocol पढ़ना, पर ऑब्वियसली अगर 9 से 5 होंगे तो हम दोस्तों के साथ चाय कॉफी पियेंगे, कॉफी का कप रखेंगे, चाय का बटन दबाएंगे. तो वो जो टच पॉइंट्स है उसे हम ऑफिस में पोस्ट पैंडेमिक वापसी के बाद अगर 20% भी ऑक्यूपेंसी में हम चालू करते हैं, तो ये जो टच पॉइंट है इसे हम टूल्स, टेक्नोलॉजी या किस टेक्निक्स के कैसे हम लोग इसे मैनेज करें, उसका क्या प्रोसीजर होना चाहिए? वो चाहिए. Go ahead.
Okay. So that now for this question only, I said that resource team, the stakeholders, your team, facilities, resource management, HR. So that team comes into the place. So when we talk about again workplace, bringing back to people into work, before that, I mean, as इस team का importance ये भी है, they are going to plan and chalk out the physical space, as well as also about your, when I said conference room and other things also. Whether do we have a budget, right, to modify the workstations, as you said, now the pantry ho gaya, the work cafeteria ho gaya. So can we make those changes and bring on new technology or new gadgets, wherein there are no contactless touching, no contactless, people can come, or they can have it at the workplace, or have a main social distancing. So those are the tools which the team, technology team, the facilities team could come together. And of course cost plays an important role, because now organization have to play, because during the pandemic when they shifted to work from home, the infrastructure cost was not there, but then it was on a technology cost. A lot of VPN costs, VPNs have been put into the place, software upgrades have been put into licensing, so we had invested in those kind of, costing. Now, when we are coming back to it, now there's a different kind of cost optimization which we have to do it. So that is towards the contactless, whether it is attendance in the cafeteria, the workstation, workplace. So all those things on how best we can bring in the new tools and new technology. And so it all goes around with the costing and with the appropriate department like admin facilities plays a great role. So I hope that answers questions.
Yeah, absolutely. So yes, absolutely. आपने summarize बहुत अच्छे से किया कि जैसे ही बंदा अंदर आता है, ऑफिस में आते ही वहां से शुरू हो जाता है housekeeping facility, then comes to an HR, right? So I think all these department plays a vital role. Costing, of course, yes, costing का ज़्यादा महत्व है because